All right, guys, we got the week 9 walkthrough here. So week 7 is only there if you haven't taken the solutions test. Week 8 will remain for a couple days until you guys retake the quiz from Friday if you'd like to, the entry 1 quiz. So feel free to do that. It should be accessible now. So let's look at week 9. You're watching the walkthrough right here. Monday we didn't have school, so nothing to do that day. Tuesday, let's take a peek here. First thing is retake the quiz from last week, and then using a PowerPoint or a video lecture, take these notes and try the problems that are listed. Wellness Wednesday, check your Dean page. And then Thursday, you are going over the homework problems from Tuesday. Okay, so at the end, there's some problems. There's a walkthrough or a key listed here. Then I want you to answer 2 feedback questions for me here. Friday, we got a quiz, and then last piece here is there's some extra review with a key and a walkthrough. I would strongly suggest doing that beforehand. Thursday should be a pretty short day, so maybe between then and then you can do it, or if you're feeling confident, just go for the quiz. Please make sure that you're still checking into attendance on your dean's page every day, because otherwise they get the feeling that maybe you aren't doing anything. So most of you guys are, but please make sure you're still taking the attendance question every day. All right, guys, love you, appreciate you. Next week is the last week, and this Friday, if you're a senior, is your last day. So congratulations, special love you, miss you to you guys. All right, bye.